Welcome back to another video. My hair is an absolute mess, but if you don't know, we have a 2013 Ducati 848 Evo, and we also have a trailer that we use to transport the Ducati to the racetrack when we want to go and have some fun. But recently we haven't taken it to the racetrack. Ooh, gotta watch the Impala. Recently we haven't taken it to the racetrack, so we've used it as storage, but now I'm trying to go back to the track or take other bikes places, because there are lots of plans in the works that regard motorcycles, but I can't say anything because nothing's set in stone. Therefore, I'm cleaning the trailer now to get ready for it later. Yeah, that makes sense. This is the trailer. It's, it's definitely not anything nice and shiny and new, but that's why I'm gonna make it look shiny and new the best as I can. But first, before I can open it, I need to move all these tires. We just got a bunch of stuff everywhere. This is a big tool. Got a bicycle back there. Parts from the Impala. Well, actually, just go watch the video. More Impala parts. And then motorcycle gear. Here's the race suit. There's the boots, gloves, a wheelbarrow, a giant teddy bear. Yeah. I've got some work to do. You got the bear right there on top of the wheelbarrow. Stepping inside, you got the ladder, some stuff, a cabinet, a sink, and another cabinet, a bed frame, part of a bed frame. This, I'm gonna contact some people, see if they need it. Yeah, and of course there's more stuffing right here, but there you go. This is the part that I want. The motorcycle rack. That's all I needed. It's all I want, and that's got to be fixed. But yeah, so we got one motorcycle rack right here. Whoa, you got another one right there. We can fit two motorcycles in here. There's also a side door right there. A lot of this stuff needs to be patched up and fixed, such as that. Yeah, okay. No, so all this definitely happened this year. Don't worry, I will fix it. Not today's video. Today's just cleaning it out. But this will be a whole mini series fixing up the race trailer. So that's got to get patched up. All this stuff's got to get fixed. That whole... And then, I could paint it. I definitely could paint it. That's not a bad idea. I could paint the trailer, make it look nice, decorate it. I could put some LED lights in here. Ooh, ideas are starting to come to mind. But yeah, I gotta figure out what to do with these, get all this stuff out. Let's just continue the hyperlapse. This is a shot coming from inside the trailer. Whoa, wobbling a lot there, camera. Easy. I emptied out the trailer. I'm tired. And with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Whew. I gotta catch my breath. That was very heavy stuff. Alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I did enjoy making this video. It was very fun, very tiring, but very fun, and that's what matters. Because I know what is going to come later because I did this. You have yet to see. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.